but this is Bolu Vibes. And one of my subscribers asked me this question. She said, how do you make use of, how much do you buy your lights and how do you make use of it? So I make use of, come closer to me. I make use of professional photo video lead light Pro 600. This is what I make use of. So I'm going to open it for you and show you how it is. Come closer to me, camera woman. Come closer. So this is the inside. This is what's like inside. It comes with video inside. This is the light itself. It comes with the light. Sorry, let's not forget, it comes with a stand. Yes, this is the stand. This is the stand. This is the stand. It comes with the stand. So, none of the glass, I beg, it's dark inside already. It comes with the stand, and this is how to set up the stand. Let me show you. You push, come closer. You push these tips. You open the tips to set it. Then you drag it down like this. Oh, sorry, you lose it here first. Sorry, you lose it here first. Then you drag it out. You like banana. You see that it has come down. Then you lose it here also, so that you can expand this way to be longer. You see that it's able to reach my size. Let's not say you want it to be taller than usual. Like you want a very, very tall thing. You lose the third one. Then you drag it. It's gonna be very, very tall. See that it's taller than me. Yes. And if you want to be taller, very, very tall. Like tall. You drag it here too. You drag it to the downside. Did you see? But I don't want it to be too tall because of what I want to do. So I'll still shift it down to be my size. It's not compulsory you just be moving unnecessarily. You hold the camera and move just small. That's all. Not that you move. So this is it. This is what they call the head. The head goes to this place. Sit. You put it here. You spin it. Spin it on it. You spin it. When you spin it, it's called hookah, and it comes with two batteries. You can make use of the light in two ways. To me, you can make use of the light to me. Okay. You can make use of this lead light in two ways, either by battery or by plugging it direct to the light. Directly to the light, but I make use of it using electricity most of the time because we used to have light. So that's it. So let me make use of it. You hook it. Let me show you. You put it here. This is where you put it. This kind of video does not really need much editing. Sure you get. As a tutorial video. You put it here. Put it on this place. After opening the four angles, put it here. You rotate it. And you make sure that it's key. Oh, that's key. Okay. There's no need to shift back. See it. So this is it. So now it's already at off. Come and see the road at the back. She's just stand. The road, please switch off the power button. Please switch off the power button before inserting or removing the power cable. And it's made in China. It has the 2 battery space. This is where the 2 battery will be. So this is it. I'm going to make use of it with electricity first. See the charger. I'm going to plug it to the light first. When you plug it, it's going to bring blue lights. Sorry, green lights. I said blue lights. Green lights. One is not Squid Game. Red lights. Anyway, this is not Squid Game. This is normal light. So don't be scared. Nobody will shoot you. Say yeah, nobody shoot you. Calm down. So you put it like this. You see where I put it? I connect it to this place. But make sure that this thing is in the middle. It's in the center, because if you do not put center, if it on automatically when you plug it to light, it's damaging the system of the light little by little. What I find in the tripod stand, it's too long. Leave it alone. Okay. Oh God, where then we just careful. So let me put on the socket back. You see it has put on the green light already. So now I press here. Sorry. If you press to this side, it does not on. Don't panic. Press to the other side. You see it? That is the yellow bulb. It's going to be too bright to the camera. That is the yellow bulb. But you can switch it, you can dim the light. Stop it first, let me see it again. See, I don't know if you are started. When you put on the light, you put it to this side, see that it's not on again. You put it in the middle, put it to this side, it can on. So now, this is the control. This is to dim the light, increase the light. This is to dim the light. Did you see that the light is dim? This is the yellow light, this is the highest light. But you can dim it this way. You see that it is dimmed already. Now, increase the light back. And now we can put it in white color. You see that the color has changed. It's currently in white color. You can switch it down, dim it in case it's too bright so that it will not affect your eyes. And you can use the two colors. Did you see that it's having a mixture of yellow and white? That is the mixture of the yellow and white. So now, we are making use of the electricity to use the light. Now, after that, you make sure that you off it when not in use. You off it. You see that we have off it. So, the second method of using the lead light probe is with the battery. Yes, it's with the battery. Let me show you. For me, it comes with two batteries. Let me show you. This is it. Let me unplug it from the light so that I can show you. It makes sure. It can be used with electricity and can also be used. It can be used with electricity and can also be used with battery. I've unplugged the charger. So this is the battery. Let me put up the socket for security's sake so that the charger is not going to blow or you're not going to do the charger. Because in Nigeria, you cannot just NEPA. And again, maintenance is what matters in all these things. If you know how to maintain it, it lasts long. So now, this is it. This is the two battery. This is how to fix it. These two angles, are you seeing it? These two angles, let me show you. These two angles, it stay on these two clips. Let me show you. Come closer, camera, come closer. So you place it like this. See, you do it. You put this, I do clamp. See, you do clamp. When you put this, I do clamp. Nah, put the second one too. Do clamp up. Yeah, the sound, bro. Look at my dude. Look at my dude. Look at my dude. You let it do so. Yeah, the sound. You do clamp. So now, that is how to make it with battery. We have fixed the two battery into it. So you press this. If it doesn't on this way, you press to the other way around. You see that the light is on. So the same method, you dim it this way. You dim it to the left. You dim it to the left, and you increase it to the right. Same thing, you mix the color. You can choose it to white. I can choose it to yellow. Whatever color you wish. See it? You see I'm mixing the color. So that's how to make use of the lead light probe. Now, how do you remove the battery? First, you make sure you turn it off first. But put it in the center. So how do you remove your battery? That's another thing, because you can't drag the battery by force. You are going to spoil it. So first, you close the face of the light so that you won't spoil it. It won't affect it. Oh, sorry, unless I forget, there is what they call land scale. This is a 16:9 light, and this is a portrait light. So you will lose it here. So it will come to portrait. You just see this is a portrait dimension. Come closer to my camera, woman. This is how to do it. There is a hook here. There's a hook here that you turn to open it. So that's it. When you do like this, you have lose it. So it's going to drop. See, it's going to drop down. So this is a portrait way. You can use it as a link light. This is it. You could hook it as you close it. So now, how would you remove the battery? First, there's a button here. You press it. Automatically it sounds a climb back and it opens. That's it. First. Second, you press it, it comes out. Now, And many of you will be like, how do you charge the battery? See, number one, you cannot use this charger, this electricity charger, to charge the battery. It doesn't work like that. Let me show you. This charger, sorry, this charger is not meant for charging it. It's meant for powering it on directly to electricity. Direct to electricity. That is what it's used for. So that is it. So now, how do you charge the battery? There's a battery charger there, and this is the battery charger. This is it. So you open it this way. You open it this way, and you put the battery this way. There's two edges hook here. You clip it on it like this. Automatically, it brings out the green light. So you plug it to the socket. See it. Cameraman, come closer. It changes to red when it's charging. Let me take some away so it will not block your view. It changes to red when it's charging. When it's filled up, it automatically changes to green. So that is how to make use of LED Light Pro in two ways. By you make use of electricity or by making use of it with battery. But I would advise you to always use battery when you are outdoor. But when you are indoor, try to make use of it with electricity so that you can increase the lifespan of your battery. Because if you do not maintain the battery, I don't know how much you sell battery, but battery will be expensive. And the follow-come battery is always better than the duplicate battery. You can come and stand in front of me here instead. So the follow-come battery is always better than the duplicate battery. Like this already now, it is charging. It's charging. So you make use of your LED Light Pro in that two ways. Thank you for staying true. I am Bolu Vibes, and I am on a 7 days epic consistency challenge. And I hope you are following my playlist. Yes. And if you are not following, do well to follow up and check it out. I am Bolu Vibes. Bye bye.